Hello, in today's lecture, we discuss the rules of writing the SI unit and the use of prefixes. The rules for writing the SI unit is full name of unit always starts with a small letter even if named after a person. For example, the Newton, which is a unit of the force and is name of a scientist, then unit is written in this way. Here the first alphabet is small. Even if it is after the name of a scientist, this unit cannot be written in this way. Similarly, the ampere, which is the name of a scientist, in this the first alphabet starts with a small letter, not with capital letter. Similarly, the coulomb is written in this way, not C is capital. The second rule is if the unit is not, if we are using the symbol to write the unit and it is after the name of the scientist, then in symbol it is represented as a capital letter. For example, Newton is represented by capital, Kelvin by capital K, A for ampere, capital C for coulomb. Third rule, symbols for all other units are written in small letters. M for meter, as meter is not a name of scientist, so the symbol for the meter is small m. Symbol for the second is small s. Symbol for kilogram is kg, for candela cd. One space should be left between the last digit of the numeral and the symbol of the unit. If we have to write 10 kg, then we should not write in this way. There should be space between the 0 and k, and it should be written in this way. That is, there is a space between the last numeral and the unit. 5 Newton, not in this way, but with a space. 15 meter in this way. Next rule, the units do not have plural forms. If we have to write 6 meter, then it should be like this. We are not using the plural forms. 14 kg, not 14 kgs. 20 second, not 20 seconds. 18 Kelvin, not 18 Kelvins. Next rule, full stop should not be used after the units. If we have to write 7 meter, it should be like this, not with full stop. It is a wrong method of writing the unit. 12 Newton, not in this way. 25 kg, not with full stop. It is a wrong method. Next is no space is used between the symbols for unit. If we have to write joules second as a unit, then it is a wrong method as there is a space between the joule and second. It is a correct method as there is no space between the joule and second. Again, it is a wrong, it is right. It is wrong and this one is right. Now, the prefixes, the physical quantities whose magnitude is either too large or too small can be expressed more compactly by the use of prefixes. Prefix indicate multiple and submultiple of a unit. For example, radius of Earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. In kilometer, it is 6400 kilometer. Here, kilo is prefix. In this slide, some prefixes which are commonly used are listed. Iota is a prefix which represents 10 to the power 24 and its symbol is Y. Similarly, zeta, whose symbol is Z and is represented as 10 to the power 21. Exa, peta, tera, giga, mega is represented by capital M and it represents 10 to the power 6. Kilo is a prefix which is very commonly used, is represented by K and which represents 10 to the power 3. Hecto, deca, then the deci. It is representing 10 to the power minus 1. Centi. This prefix represents 10 to the power minus 2 and for this prefix the symbol used is C. Milli 10 to the power minus 3 and the symbol used for it is small m. Micro 10 to the power minus 6 and mu is the symbol. Nano 10 to the power minus 9 and the symbol is small n. Pico, the symbol is small p and it represents 10 to the power minus 12. Femto, या Fermi, it is represented by F and it represents 10 to the power minus 50. This prefixes mega, kilo, deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico is very commonly used in physics. Prefixes cannot be used alone. It should have a proper unit attached with it. For example, 3 milliampere. Here, milli is a prefix which represents 10 to the power minus 3 and its symbol is small m. So, if it is 3 milliampere, it means 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Similarly, 5 microvolt. Micro is represented by this symbol which is pronounced as mu and its value is 10 to the power minus 6. If I am saying 5 micrometer, then it is 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. So some unit is always attached with the prefixes. 8 nanoseconds. Symbol is small n which represents 10 to the power minus 9. Picometer. Pico, the symbol is P which represents 10 to the power minus 12. Kilometer, here prefix is kilo which represents 10 to the power 3 and its symbol is K. Thank you and have a nice day.